Stop everything. VEO3 is here and it'll blow your mind. Flow is powered by Google DeepMind's VEO, Imagen and Gemini, so your videos are perfect, the characters' lips match the words perfectly, and talking heads come alive without any manual tweaks. Take a look.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might.
Flow is like having a team of creative geniuses right at your fingertips. Imagine being able to seamlessly create cinematic clips, scenes, and stories with character and object consistency, all with just a few prompts. It's like your creative vision is coming to life faster than you can say, lights, camera, action. With Flow, you can prompt just by talking naturally, crafting cohesive narratives, and managing all your creative ingredients and prompts in one central hub. Now let's touch on some pros and, well, a couple of cons to keep it fair. On the plus side, Flow offers an incredibly intuitive platform that's perfect for storytellers looking to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's also backed by Google's AI powerhouse, ensuring top-notch quality and innovations. However, on the flip side, it's currently available only in the US, with more countries coming soon, and it does require a Google AI subscription. The pricing is also very steep and way too high for my taste. So, what can you create with Flow? The possibilities are endless. Whether it's impossible fashion, 3D cartoons, or even quirky concepts like animals in random places, Flow gives you the power to bring your unique vision to life. And the best part? You can check out how filmmakers like Junie Lau and Dave Clark are using Flow to create stunning short films. All right, folks, that's a wrap on our deep dive into Flow. If you're as excited as I am to explore this AI filmmaking tool, make sure to check it out and see how it can transform your creative projects. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.